We are not the same people as when we first stepped onto campus at Southwestern Oregon Community College. We grew. We learned. We connected. We designed. We celebrated. We explored. We planned. Planned for our next step while exploring the now. Within this building, this park, this beach, this study hall, this field, this court, this campus, we lived in the now and set ourselves up for the next. It lives on in our career paths, our journey through life. We are proud to call ourselves the future, the next chef, the next nurse, the next athlete, the next scientist, the next artist, the next researcher, the next teacher. Ready to begin your journey? We believe Southwestern is the place for you.